All right, guys, man. So we got an early pair of kicks in today, and I ain't did an early review in a minute. But I said, man, it's long overdue to show you guys something a little bit early. Let you guys know what's going on with an upcoming sneaker, and this happened to be one of the best Air Jordan 3s released this year, in my honest opinion. They put a little twist to it. They put a couple dope details on them. So we're gonna break them down, check them out with you guys. So stick around, stay tuned. Let's get right into them. So if you guys are new here, man, typically we don't pull out the Rambo knife unless we got some crazy heat in. But this one is a bit of an exception. You guys know how it's been lately with general release Jordan sneakers, man. They ain't really been getting a lot of love, but I do want to say that resale or how fast the shoe sells out does not have to do anything with if you like this sneaker personally, man. So do not let that persuade you in any way. If you like a sneaker, man, go out and grab it. And we do have a pair that, you know, some people might love. Some people might love these things. I had these for a while now. I done had these joints for about 3 weeks now, and I'm just not getting to it. I always say, man, buy what you like, forget the hype. That's the motto all 2024 and beyond, and that's been the motto, man. So let's go ahead and get into these things. And yes, sir, we got the same kind of box we've seen previously with Air Jordan 3 models. I think they just start doing this type of box where you have like the cement elephant print joint on this side, and the other side is like a predominantly color. So go ahead and check it out, man. You guys can see, bro, red Jumpman, gray on this side, cement on the other, man. You guys can peep it, man. The official colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, Summit White, and Fire Red. And I did pick these up in a size 10.5. That's all they had available early. So I said, man, I don't care what size it is. Definitely want to get over here on the channel to break them down and check them out with you guys, man. That's what I'm here for, bro. Show you guys these things early. Show you guys what they're hitting for. And if I can save you maybe a couple dollars, you know, before you, jump ahead the gun and go ahead and grab them, that's what I would gladly do, man. So let's go ahead and check them out, bro. Pull the tissue paper out. And 3, 2, 1, and here we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 3 cement gray, guys. Now this is gonna be one of them ones, bro. Definitely one of them ones that we all know, bro. It's almost like a broken record, man. We know they're not gonna sell out. We know they're not gonna do crazy numbers on the resale value because it is, a general release. And I would have to say that these look a little bit too similar to a previous Air Jordan 3 we got last year. The reimagined joints, of course, with the sail on the midsole, predominantly white upper, but nonetheless, it's still a solid colorway. Definitely don't think that it's a trash colorway, but definitely not something that you need to go out and grab ASAP. This is gonna be one of the ones that go for definitely way under retail, in my honest opinion. But the colorway and all that good stuff is pretty solid, and the quality, the leather quality, be sure to hit you guys some B-roll on these guys, is really nice. And then on the back, you guys can see, bro, this your regular Jumpman Air, and then a red Jumpman on the tongue right here. These are set to release August the 31st, and with all the stuff that's dropping this month, like the MON years, like the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders, I could definitely see these getting pushed to the back burner, and not a lot of people going out and trying to put emphasis towards grabbing these. But for everybody that is trying to get these joints, man, that's what I'm here for today, to let you guys know what the Air Jordan 3 cement gray, guys, is hitting for. So I couldn't get too far in today's video without bringing up, the Air Jordan 3 white cement reimagined, guys. You guys can see what I'm talking about. It's kind of too similar for me to turn around, or I'm just putting my, myself in you guys' shoes. Like, I picked up the reimagined 3s last year. Why would I go out and grab these Air Jordan 3 cement grays? And they look so similar. Not like, nothing too identical, but you guys can see where I'm coming from, man. The predominantly white upper, just a little bit darker shade of the gray on the cement part. But other than that, man, you don't need to go out and get these, man. But for the people that don't have the Air Jordan 3 reimagined, that, might want to get these for under retail, trust me, they're going to go for way under retail. I think I even bought these early for under retail price. So if you guys want to wait it out, sit it out for a while, I definitely think that these Air Jordan 3s are going to hit the outlets and go for a very low price on the resale market. And somebody even commented the other day, they were talking about, why some of these, Jordans are sitting, some of these Nikes are sitting and stuff like that, because they are pumping out a lot of sneakers, but they're dropping shoes almost every weekend, sometimes even 2 sneakers a week. And we put these joints at the end of the month, man. I'm telling you, bruh, after the White Thunder 4s, after the MON year 3s, these right here are gonna be some of the sneakers apps, the Nike outlets, and all that good stuff for a very long time, because this colorway does not scream, people to come and buy me, if that makes sense. I can't believe I got this far in today's video without even asking you guys, man, will these be a cop? Will these joints be a drop? And like I said, I always give you guys some honest, advice. I would definitely wait on a little bit and see, you know, kind of where the resale goes, because you could potentially get these for like $150, $130, especially if Nike does put this on sale themselves. It's like one of them ones that they're gonna have to drop in price, drop on sale, you know, somewhere. And definitely when you go into your local malls, bro, I'm telling you, you're gonna be seeing those 20%, 30%, you might even see 50% off sales when it comes to these joints, because it is so much other heat dropping and everybody is pretty much putting these joints to the back burner. And if you're watching, you're probably trying to figure out how I'm feeling about the sneaker. So I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. And I must honestly say, man, I definitely think they could have did a lot better job in terms of the sneaker, a couple different little details. But all in all, man, you guys already know how it is. Jordan drop a bunch of colorways. They really don't care what we say. You're either gonna buy it or you're not. I just feel like that's what Jordan, you know, and Nike's mindset is. You're either gonna buy it or you're not. Regardless, they're gonna make their money, push you on see different stores and stuff like that. But all in all, again, bro, Air Jordan 3 cement grays releasing August 31st. Retail is $200, bro. 200, man. That's crazy. They did drop their retail tap back to 160. I definitely feel like a lot more shoes would sell out. But hey, it ain't up to me. It's up to Nike. It's up to Jordan Brand trying to get their money. And inflation is kicking all our ass. But I do love that nice cement gray hit on the heel tab. And it just contrasts perfectly off the black hits of the cement print on the upper and on the toe box of these Air Jordan 3s, man. Just overall, you know, just still a solid colorway. But again, nothing that screams I need to get it right now. And again, bruh, I already got the white cement 3s, so you know I'm pretty much cool on these guys right here. So again, man, let me know down below in the comment section if you will be trying to secure a pair of the Air Jordan 3 cement grays. I want to see you guys' honest thoughts, honest opinions. Be sure to hit you guys with a bunch of B-roll. That's why I got the shoe in y'all face right now. I want y'all to see the shoe, less than me. I want to see you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section, bro. So let me know how you rocking out with it. I want to see all the engagement down below, man. I appreciate y'all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in once again, checking out your boy video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell if you have not already, and please leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow and it shows YouTube you guys are ultimately enjoying the content, man. I love y'all. Catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.